So it's pretty late out here. Thankfully my Huawei can bring some light to this shooting. I just found some other items that I purchased and will go to Italy, and I wanted to show them to you because they're so super cute. Okay, this one is like a Christmas tree decoration, and you can actually hang it, and it contains some sweets like delicious nuts with caramel. And so this is the red, and then we of course also got the green one. Really lovely. See all these cute designs. And hopefully the last Starbucks related shopping for my friend's kid. Look at this lovely Starbucks advent calendar, and it is filled with Lindt chocolate because that's what I could fit inside in this cute pocket. And it's going to Italy. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy. And it's of course again limited edition, Japan only. See, you're supposed to build like a Christmas marketplace with all these elements. I managed to catch this special reusable, recyclable, re-enjoyable Christmas limited edition mug that you can take to Starbucks, and the coffee will be 20 cents less if you bring your own cup. So I got 2 of these, and of course the matching Christmas blend origami coffee. The drip, see, like this one, you can see you place it on top of this, and then you will have the single drip. Then these lovely mats that I really love. Starbucks, this one has such a nice European style landscape. And I got for my lovely friend this Starbucks bag. This here is Soul Night mug. It's so pretty. I was actually really fascinated by Seoul at night. They have one special building, some art center exhibition that looks like a UFO has just landed. It's not this one. This one is a traditional, very famous gate, like a city gate. So we have the Seoul, then we have a very lovely Hokkaido. Do they have white bears in Hokkaido? I would say no. Okay, I will Wikipedia it. And it's, you know, so matching the snowflake season right now, although there's no snow in Japan, but maybe in Hokkaido. And so, see, it's shiny. It has this shiny opalescence to it. So I think this should go to the daddy. And this one also, celebrate your anniversary with great coffee 2018, a memorial for, you know, any good things that happened to you in this year. This is also limited edition. See this ship here sailing among the stars to the future, very nice, and underneath there is the whale. Very lovely. So by now I can tell you that I was watching hundreds and thousands of Starbucks goods, and these are really very special and pretty items that I chose to buy. And to this cup that is, you know, limited edition, I also googled it and I couldn't find it anywhere else. I think it's Japan only, and that's why you cannot find them in other countries. See you in Italy!